Hello everyone, welcome to University Tutorial Tube. This is C programming course, part 4 C basic syntax. This part will give detail about all the basic syntax about C programming language, including tokens, keywords, identifiers, etc. You have seen a basic structure of C programming in previous video, so it will be easy to understand other basic building blocks of the C programming language. Tokens in C programming. C programming consists of various tokens, and a token is either a keyword, an identifier, a constant, a string literal, or a symbol. Take for example, the following C statement consists of 5 tokens. It is printf. Printf is the one, and open bracket 2, hello world 3, and closed bracket 4, and the semicolon is the field. That is, individual tokens are here. Printf is the one, open bracket 2, hello world 3, and close the bracket 4, and semicolons are the fields. Semicolons in C program, the semicolon is a statement terminator. That is, each individual statement must be ended with a semicolon. It indicates the end of one logical entity. Take for example, following are two different statements: printf open bracket hello world and close the bracket and semicolon. It is must because it is statement, and return zero is a statement. It must be ended with a semicolon. Comments are like helping text in your C programming, and they are ignored by the compiler, so it is not read C programming. They start with a slash, and then start and terminate with the character, or you can text and end it with first star and then slash h1 below. Let us see the example. This is my first program in C, then star and slash. You cannot have comments within comments, and they don't occur within a string or character literals. And the other identifiers. C identifier is a name used to identify a function or any other user defined item. An identifier starts with a letter A to Z or an underscore followed by 0 or more letters. Underscore and digits there up to 9. And C does not allow punctuation characters such as at, dollar, and percent using identifiers. It cannot understand the C programming, or it is not permission. And C is a case-sensitive programming language. Thus, manpower and manpowers are two different identifiers in C. Here are some examples of accepted identifiers: the dara, VC, name, A1, 2, and others. It is accepted identifiers. And the other keywords. The following list shows B reserved words in C. These reserved words may not be used as constant or variable or any other identifiers name. That is auto, brake, K, car, S, and others. It is not used. It is identifier name. It is not. It is not used in variable or constant. So, and the other white space in C. A line containing only white space, possibly with a comment, is known as a blank line, and a C compiler totally ignores it. White space is a term used in C to describe blanks, tabs, new line characters, and comments. The white space separates one part of a statement from another and enables the compiler to identify where one element in a statement, such as int, ends, and the next element begins. Therefore, in the following statements, int, then space, and h. So it is you can understand the C programming. Uh, there must be at least one white space characters, usually a space. Characters must be uh, differentiated the int and edge. It must be uh, between int and edge for the compiler to be able to distinguish them. This must be a white space. On the other hand, in the following statement, fruit is equals to apples plus oranges, then semicolon. No white space characters are necessary between fruit and is equals, or between is equals and apples. So also you are free to include some if you wish for readability purpose. It is fruit between fruit and is equals to it is no white space character are applied, or between apple and is equals to you can use. Okay, thanks for watching my video. Next video I would show C data types within a practice. So please subscribe, like, share, and comment. Goodbye.